guys, Candida here. I was sent the OGO tire inflator in exchange for my honest review. This thing is handy dandy. I actually live outside of the city limits, and when it gets cold and that tire light goes off, it's always an inconvenience. But with this little gadget, I don't have to worry about it anymore. The kit comes with the tire inflator, the adapter, it's got a USB charger, and then it's got the extensions that we need. So with this, I can blow up a ball, I can blow up my tires, I can blow up the little fun inflatables during the summer. It's super easy to use. All I do is power it on. And as you can see, I've got the display here. The switch of a button, I can change it to a basketball, a bicycle, scooter, or a car. And that way it automatically adjusts to that pressure. The car, it automatically goes to 36, but if my tires take less, I can actually change it here and I can adjust it to the exact tire pressure that I need for my car. It's also got a light here, which is very handy in the dark. Okay, so now that I'm ready to use it, all I've got to do is simply screw it into the stem, and then I can set the setting to car. And once I do, it's going to automatically detect the pressure that's in the tire at the time. It was 27 point something when I started. I've got it set for 32 pounds. As you can see, the top number, that shows that the tire is increasing with air. This handy dandy tool has auto detection. So once it's full, it's going to automatically turn off. Overall, this has been a great addition to the car. So overall, this has been a great addition to the car. Not only can I use it on the tires, I can use it on balls, I can also use it on scooter tires. So it's versatile, it's handy, comes in a little carrying case, it makes it super easy to keep in the car. I think everyone needs one of these. So I hope you found the review helpful.